Are you missing the Iviewers Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. Before we begin our Iviewers Library troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Iviewers Library, the Interface Viewers Library. Part of the OLE and COM SDK, it provides unmanaged routines for visualizing COM interface structures and type libraries. It facilitates the orchestration of binary metadata manifest for developers to inspect data link properties. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like Iviewers Library DLL. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Iviewers library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for Iviewers Library DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the Iviewers library environment. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Iviewers library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.